Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a 4 bedroom, 4 bathroom split level property for sale. It was built in 1999. It is located in Retreat Heights, Trelawny, nestled away in a stunningly peaceful yet safe and well sought after area. It is within a close knit community, popular with professionals and returning residents alike. The property is surrounded by other individual, yet beautifully designed family homes that complement the surrounding area. The property is spacious and sits on an 11,237 square feet plot, providing approximately 2,600 square feet of living space. Some features include spacious living and dining area, 4 bedrooms with ensuite bathrooms, roof terrace, water heater, single carport, well-footed land, plus proximity to the local beach. The entrance to Retreat Heights is served by the A1 highway. This is located opposite the idyllic white sandy Burwood Beach, a stone's throw from the famous glistening waters of Luminous Lagoon. 32 kilometers, Martha Brae River with bamboo rafting facilities, Royalton Blue Waters, and Ocean Eden Bay, to name a few of the nearby resorts. It is in proximity to Falmouth Town and easy access to the Montego Bay Airport, which is 30 minutes away. Call today and make an appointment to view this home. Guys, let's take a look at this house, and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US 410,000 or Jamaican $63 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.